All right, I'm going to show you all the different ways to use two apps simultaneously on an iPad. I'm using iPadOS 26, but if you're on an older version, the process is pretty different. I'll link my older video in the description for everyone who isn't running the new iPadOS yet. First, we'll go to Settings, and from the left side, scroll down to Multitasking and Gestures. There's three options here. The first one is the basic setting where each app takes up the whole screen, and you can only use one app at a time. The other two allow us to use multiple apps at the same time. When I switch to windowed apps, nothing happens at first, but I can then swipe down from the top of my screen to reveal the menu bar, which includes these traffic light and looking buttons for changing my window size. The green one will minimize or expand the window, and I can then move it across my screen or grab it from the bottom corner to make the window bigger or smaller. Then I'll do the same thing for another app. Open it up, use the traffic lights to scale down my window, and I can then set up these two apps however I want. I'll be able to watch them both simultaneously, and I can quickly switch between them. If you want your apps to fill up the screen and eliminate all the wasted space, there's an easy way to snap and scale your windows to a specific layout. First, you'll tap the traffic lights to make them a little bigger, and then you'll just tap and hold them. You'll see a resizing menu appear, and you can use that to snap your app into a specific position on your screen. If I want to make the windows even bigger, I can drag them to fill up the vertical space, and the dock will automatically slide out of the way. This is a nice way to organize and set up multiple apps on your screen, and you're not limited to two apps either. You could do a similar layout with 3 or up to 4 apps at the same time. Just tap and hold the traffic lights, choose the layout you want, and then adjust all your apps to that configuration. You can use all the apps without leaving the others, and you can scale up and expand any app at any time. I could make this one full screen, for example, and the others will remain in their scaled down windows. While this one is full screen, I can swipe up from the bottom to bring up the dock, and then use that to activate another app. I can use the red button to close out a window, and the yellow button will minimize the app into my dock, where I can then bring it back with a single tap. Overall, this works very similar to a computer. You can have your apps full screen, or scale them to any size you want. There's another sort of hidden feature built into the windowed apps. It's called Slide Over, and it basically allows you to have one app floating on top of everything else. Slide Over is triggered from the same traffic lights. Tap and hold, and then choose Enter Slide Over. You'll see kind of a glass border appear around that window, and that window will now always stay on top, even when I'm using another app. You can move the floating window if needed, or resize it from the bottom corner. If you need to temporarily hide it, you can swipe it off to the side, and it'll go away. Then just swipe back, and your floating app will jump right back. So that's Slide Over. Kinda nice when you want to use the rest of the iPad normally, but keep one app visible at all times. If we go back to the multitasking settings, there's one more way to use multiple apps at the same time, and that's the Stage Manager option. This one seems very similar to windowed apps, and a lot of people get confused about this, and I don't blame them. At first, everything looks the same, but when I move my apps to leave some empty space on the left side of my screen, you'll see the Stage Manager pop up. It goes away if an app wants to take over the whole screen, and comes back when I give it some space. Stage Manager basically keeps a list of your recently used apps, and allows you to quickly switch between them. Pretty convenient if you jump between apps a lot, but where this feature really shines is with its ability to stack apps into groups. I can take an app from Stage Manager and drag it over. Now I have 2 apps running at the same time, and they've become a group. When I switch to another app, those 2 apps will get minimized together, and they stay together as a group. Then I can bring back both apps with a single tap. If I want, I can create another group, and then quickly swap between these 2 groups with a single tap. Most people don't realize you can group apps in Stage Manager, and I think this is really what makes it useful. Otherwise, it's just a fancy app switcher that takes up a lot of space. And that's it. I'm old school, and I like to use my iPad one app at a time, so I'll go back to the full screen mode here. Click that like button if this helped you, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more easy and quick guides like this.